Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The stamp filter converts your image into a crisp, high-contrast stencil suitable for printing, decals, or graphic overlays. The process begins by converting the photo to grayscale, then applying an adaptive threshold that forces pixels above a certain brightness to white and below to black. To sharpen the stencil, a morphological erosion step slightly thins the foreground shapes, giving clean, well-defined edges. You can optionally invert the colors if you need a white-on-black stamp instead of the usual black-on-white. The final output is a binary image, pure black and white, perfect for laser cutting, screen printing, or creating a bold graphic element that stands out sharply against any background.